The mystery of the humming sound heard worldwide has been solved at last. People have contemplated that they could even be skyquakes. So what is causing this worldwide humming? Scientists have discovered the source of the mysterious humming sound that had been heard around the world. The anomalous seismic hum, first picked up back in November of 2018 and was thought to have originated near Mayotte, a small island between Madagascar and Mozambique. At that time, it triggered the curiosity of the scientific community because of the fact that it seemed to ring at a single ultra-low frequency, and it made the circle around the planet without any sign of an earthquake. More than 400 instances of this hum were picked up by seismologists across the world. Remember, the big quake that happened, felt around the world, was on 11/11 of 2018. Very strange. More than 400 instances of that hum picked up by seismologists, and the culprit was finally revealed when a few months later it was discovered that a new underwater volcano had formed off Mayotte, and it pushed the island several inches to the southeast. A French oceanographic mission later on revealed that this new volcano was absolutely huge, measuring at 3.1 miles across and half a mile high, but it still was not clear how it had produced this hum. Now a new study has finally revealed and lifted the lid on this mystery by revealing that the hum was actually triggered by earthquakes shaking a particular area above the volcano's magma reservoir. It's known as the overburden. It's the area that had weakened and sagged as the reservoir emptied. And while the volcano is now fully formed, more earthquakes could still occur. One of the study's senior researchers said in a statement, "There are still possible hazards for the island of Mayotte today. The Earth's crust above the deep reservoir could continue to collapse, triggering even stronger earthquakes." This is from Bended Reality, and it's on Out of Minds 2. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.